So this is what $13 a night can get you in Canggu, Bali. So we have already found our accommodation that we're going to stay in for an entire month, but it wasn't available right away. So we stayed here at Matra Bali Guest House in Berawa, that neighborhood of Canggu, for 5 nights. So let me show you what we got for $13 a night. Okay, so this is the start of our place. So you get 2 chairs with a table. You also get a drying rack. What I like about this is that the entrance is floor to ceiling windows, so that like tons and tons of natural light comes in here, which is awesome. So this comes with a desk and a chair, which is nice for, especially for me, as I'm still working online, working remotely. So I was able to sit here and do my work, and then I looked like this is my view while working. It's so green. I freaking love that about Bali. It's so, so green. Okay, so you get, there's 2 nightstands. This is a king-size bed, and it is so freaking comfortable. Oh my gosh, I can't even explain to you how comfortable this bed is. It also comes with, what I love is a mosquito net. So like when you put that down at night, oh my gosh, you feel like you're like royalty or something. You got another nightstand here, and we are just now checking out, about to head to our accommodation for the first month that we're here. But it comes with an air con. Let's see. You have a pretty decent sized mini fridge. Got some drawers here, a TV that has cable. There's the closet. I'll show you in here. So you've got some shelves and then a safe with some hanger spots. And also, oh my gosh, before I forget, look how freaking tall these ceilings are. Okay, you ready? So like, you know, regular bed, and then look how high up this ceiling goes. It's huge. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then for our bathroom, so your dirty clothes go down there. We've got a little ledge here, which we put our towels on. You have an outlet in here as well. And then, like, this to me is like, oh, such a Balinese bathroom. It is partially outside, right? So when it rains, I mean, it doesn't rain on you because it's covered, but it's kind of like a skylight. Oh, I love this about Balinese shower or bathroom. So shower, great water pressure, super hot water. You got a Western toilet. And here is the sink with a mirror. Okay, and now let me show you the rest of this property. So here, it's a little hangout spot. You've also got like if you want to practice your pull-ups, monkey bars over there. These are the other guest rooms. Okay, so this is the area you can park your motorbike. Most of it is covered for like when it rains and stuff. And you got this really cool hangout area. Apakaba. So you've got some hammocks and a couch. And then here you have a kitchen. So if you want to cook your own food, it also comes with water. You can take your trash out. Okay, so that's what you can get for $13 a night. Again, this is Matra Bali Guest House. Now, they do own a couple other properties, so make sure you know which one you're staying at. They also have Matra Co-Living, which is different. They have Matra Surf Camp. So this one is Matra Bali Guest House. The Wi-Fi here, honestly, not the best. It was fine for like doing regular work, like, or just like surfing the internet, but when I try to watch YouTube, or when I try to watch or stream some like TV shows, it buffered a lot. So that is a downside to staying here, is the Wi-Fi was not as good as I had hoped, expected, what I know it could be better. So that's the only downside. Everything else, like the location is amazing. We're right here on the main street, but it's quiet at night, so you don't like ever really hear the traffic, especially at night. So as always, like the video, subscribe for more unique travel adventures. Leave me a comment. What do you think about this price? Do you like this one better than the first one we stayed at for just 2 nights? Let me know. And yeah, the next video will be right here in 3, 2, 1.